several throughout the house. I'll follow me in the hall to show you some more if you're interested in that. Hello there. Do go through now. Do go through into the living up with that. Yes. That's right. Yeah, do go through to the big.
So there was being a fire in the bottom, another fire there because you couldn't drink the water, so we used to make what we called small ale. So it was very weak beer. So we brewed that every day, and the men got 8 pints a day. So you couldn't drink anything else. No tea, no coffee, nothing. The women got second brew, the children got third brew. That's a candle holder, yeah. And if you wanted more light, put a taper or finger.
Back in the house. Around 1800 they decided.
So you're keeping them out?
Yes, you're keeping them out.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking of that kind of thing.
Yeah. He's into, I mean, his views on religion were so radical that his niece hid his papers so people didn't know. He's into this hermeneutic view that we are all divine, but some are more divine than others. And I think they call them Arians in those days. That's the Unitarian. They don't believe in the Trinity. And Isaac believes that anybody who's intelligent enough and can prove that can actually survive in a direct line to God.
Well, I can understand that. Cool.
Because she's on the road there as well.